Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start learn. You are watching my spoken English practice series, and today I am here with my spoken English practice video. So in this video, yesterday I talk about my travel dreams. So today I want to talk about my favorite dishes. So please tell me, how many of you love food? Do you have any favorite dish? So I just ask these questions for formality because I know everyone loved food, everyone have favorite dishes because food is a basic requirement. So without food we can't live, we can't survive. So for this is very important. But favorite dishes and food is remind us about home. Favorite food remind us about festivals. Favorite food feel us happy and feel energetic. So food is provide us energy, emotions, and it feels connected with our culture. So food is, that's why we all love food. So let's start. Today I will tell you my favorite dishes. Please all of you tell me your favorite dishes in the comment box, and please also tell in which festival and which favorite dish you enjoy which time. I start with the home food. Like in home food, my favorite dish is dal bati churma. That is Rajasthani food and Rajasthani dish. So in dal bati churma, I love dal bati churma, and dal bati churma remind us about Rajasthan, remind us about festivals, because in my home dal bati churma makes and cooks every festival. So that's why it remind me about festivals. So dal bati and churma is my favorite, and it is very tasty. And dal bati with desi ghee, I love that thing. So next one is aloo puri. Aloo puri is most favorite dish for me. I have so many favorite dishes because I loved food. I am foodie person, so I loved all food, but I like some food more. So in this list, I mentioned some names of my favorite dishes. So first is dal bati churma, and next is aloo puri. Aloo puri, it means aloo ki sabzi and puri. I loved that thing. So beside the aloo puri, I loved aloo paratha also. So this is also my favorite dish. And khaddi chawal is also my favorite because khaddi is taste like sour and spicy, and rice adds light and softness of the food. So I love these foods. And if I talk about desserts and sweets, so I loved all the desserts, but my favorite one is gulab jamun. I love gulab jamun is very tasty and I love that. So gulab jamun. Next one is cham, gajar ka halwa. Gajar ka halwa reminds me winter season because it provides its warmth. And in dessert, I want to add one more name, that is moong ka halwa also I loved. So if I talk about junk food, so in junk food I mentioned I don't eat junk food every day, but sometime I had. So in this list I mentioned some name, that is cheese patties, one of my most favorite in junk food. Usually I eat cheese patties, and after that I loved chole bhature, I loved pav bhaji and maggi also. So these are my favorite dishes, and I loved all food, but these are the most I loved that dishes. So please tell me about your favorite dishes and share your opinions with each other and communicate with each other in English language. So in this video I speak English language and I do practice English speaking every day. So for this I record this video, and in in this video, I try to speak and try to communicate with you in English language. So that's why I tell you, and that's why I ask you to improve yourself and share your opinions with each other in English language. And you have no need of perfect English, you have no need of uh, grammar rules. Just try to communicate with each other in English language. So one day you will be perfect in English, you will be fluent in English. So thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like this video, please like it, share, subscribe and support my channel. Let's start learn, and please subscribe my channel. Don't forget, comment your favorite dishes. Thank you so much. Enjoy your journey of English speaking. So thank you so much.